Earning money without doing any work is possible these days, and we will tell you 20 such passive income ideas. Without any further delay, let's start. Establish an online store utilizing print-on-demand services. The print-on-demand business model allows individuals to generate profit online without the need for inventory, logistical challenges, or initial investment. This contemporary order fulfillment system enables entrepreneurs to develop, manufacture, and market unique products. The provider manages all aspects, including printing, packing, and direct delivery to consumers. To establish a passive income, engaging in print-on-demand is a recommended strategy for adults. An excellent side project for leisure time. Print-on-demand is a straightforward business model that is accessible for beginners to establish, operate, and expand. The design and sale of dropshipping products are accessible to all individuals. Begin engaging in freelance work during your available time. Technology presents numerous opportunities for generating supplementary income online. Various organizations, ranging from small enterprises to large corporations, are increasingly engaging freelancers across diverse fields. Numerous platforms connect independent contractors with clients across various fields, including graphic design, photography, and freelance writing. Freelancing in photography and videography can serve as effective side activities for individuals, allowing them to manage their schedules based on project availability. Consider engaging in freelancing through platforms such as Fiverr and Upwork. Design an online course. Disseminating one's expertise represents a rewarding strategy for increasing income in a context where education has transitioned from a privilege to a necessity. By 2026, industry analysts project that the global e-learning market will reach approximately $400 billion. It is necessary to develop an online video course that provides value to participants. For individuals possessing relevant expertise and skills, achieving substantial financial success is attainable. To receive daily financial tips, please subscribe to our channel and click the like button. Acquire a parcel of land for rental purposes. While not universally applicable, individuals with rental properties can benefit from a straightforward source of passive income. To prominent platforms for leasing private accommodations are Airbnb and Booking.com. Renting a home presents various risks, including legal issues, difficult tenants, and potential property damage. However, with adequate research, one can navigate these challenges effectively and potentially achieve greater financial returns than from a primary occupation. Carefully evaluate potential tenants, establish a comprehensive rental agreement, and obtain insurance. Participate in online surveys. A significant number of individuals engage in online surveys as a favored activity, as they offer a cost-free recreational option. The required effort is minimal, even in the context of modest income. Only time, a smartphone, and an internet connection are necessary. Numerous businesses invest in obtaining insights regarding various products or services to understand consumer perceptions. When exploring alternatives, conduct a comprehensive investigation of the business and assess third-party evaluations to ascertain reliability. Engage in ride-sharing services such as Uber or Lyft. Register as an independent contractor to receive compensation for driving through gig economy applications such as Uber or Lyft. The location, timing, and weekly hours of employment will influence the total earnings. Consideration should be given to insurance coverage, fuel costs, and maintenance expenses for any of these applications. This side job is increasingly being adopted by many Americans due to its lucrative nature. This side gig provides opportunities for exploration and travel to new locations, often in the company of others. Develop and promote craft projects. Industry analysts project that by 2024, the global arts and crafts market will reach $50.9 billion, presenting opportunities for wealth generation. Etsy sales of handcrafted goods represent an optimal choice for a small side project. Identifying clients for unique crafts is feasible given the presence of over 96.34 million active purchasers. Individuals interested in digital art can utilize print-on-demand to design, develop, and market creative products directly within the Etsy platform, thereby generating revenue. Obtain employment as an English tutor. Providing tutoring services can be a rewarding method to earn supplemental income for individuals who possess proficiency in English and enjoy interpersonal interactions. Notable applications to consider include Udemy and Wyzen. Tutors have the flexibility to schedule their work according to their convenience, considering their full-time employment commitments. Share images. Online opportunities for supplementary income that align with one's passions are the most advantageous. Individuals with an interest in photography may consider a supplementary project involving the online sale of their images. Many businesses seek images for their social media, e-commerce platforms, and advertising campaigns. To enhance visibility, build a reputation, and connect with potential clients, consider utilizing platforms such as Istic, Getty Images, or Shutterstock. Invest in the stock market. Investing is likely the most effective method for generating passive income. An experienced investment broker can help identify a satisfactory return on investment in the stock market. Understanding the financial market enables exploration of online investment platforms such as Robinhood or Acorns. It is essential to acknowledge the inherent risks and complexities associated with investing. Therefore, thorough research should be conducted prior to making any decisions. With proper study, one could potentially achieve significant wealth. Certain traders can generate earnings exceeding millions of dollars on a daily basis. Join the platforms of food delivery partners. Individuals increasingly opt to purchase meals online due to time constraints resulting from increasingly busy lifestyles. The provision of food delivery services can serve as an advantageous supplementary endeavor for individuals possessing available time and a vehicle. Engage in work to the extent of your preference. Utilize services such as Uber Eats or Grubhub, and receive compensation directly through direct deposit. Share your car rental. Consider the option of renting your unused vehicle through platforms such as Turo directly from your driveway. Maintenance, insurance, and cleaning will incur costs. However, the revenue generated should adequately cover these expenditures. A significant number of vehicles become inoperative due to prolonged disuse. However, this concern will not apply to your car, as it will remain operational for the majority of the time. This side gig requires no involvement on your part. Begin streaming. Streaming has the potential to be a profitable side endeavor. Regardless of one's interests, be it games, music, or yoga instruction, there exists a dedicated audience for every type of content. It is possible to stream and receive compensation on platforms such as Twitch or YouTube. Upon establishing a dedicated audience, initiate revenue generation through the sale of merchandise, strategic partnerships, and financial contributions. Rent your tools and equipment. Consider utilizing the sharing economy to rent out idle equipment, thereby allowing others to complete tasks while maximizing the utility of your resources. A quick search on Google can assist in identifying local venues that provide various rental options, including construction tools and photography equipment. The concept is clear. Rental services typically offer used devices and instruments on an hourly, daily, or weekly basis. Consider engaging in real estate investment. An effective strategy for generating income involves acquiring a modest property for renovation, rental, or resale purposes. Consider utilizing platforms such as Fundrise, which has been identified by Business Insider as one of the leading real estate investment applications in 2023. These programs enable individuals lacking substantial down payments to commence investments in commercial real estate. To mitigate potential issues or financial losses when choosing a platform, it is essential to conduct thorough research on the firm and assess third-party evaluations. Offer dog walking or pet sitting services. Pet owners are willing to invest significantly in reliable pet sitting services during their vacations. For those with an affinity for animals, engaging in activities such as dog walking, cat monitoring, or caring for exotic species may serve as an ideal side project. Utilize platforms such as Rover and Wag to find pet sitting opportunities in your vicinity. Initiate a mystery shopping endeavor. A mystery shopper is an individual who provides feedback regarding their retail experience to the company. Typically, it involves the purchase of an item followed by the completion of a survey. Engaging in mystery shopping presents a straightforward opportunity for income, as companies strive to improve the consumer shopping experience. A brief search may reveal local businesses seeking mystery shoppers. Please register and follow the provided instructions. Analyze their websites and review third-party assessments to effectively evaluate the companies and mitigate the risk of fraud. Seek part-time employment opportunities. The advancement of technology has significantly simplified the process of securing part-time employment, including remote work opportunities. Utilize Glassdoor or Indeed to examine various local job opportunities. Create a YouTube channel or blog. Engaging in material production, managing a blog, or initiating a YouTube channel constitutes valuable side projects. Subscriptions, affiliate marketing, and advertisements can generate revenue when supported by a dedicated audience. Consider utilizing platforms such as Wix, Squarespace, or PowerShell. Become a virtual assistant. The administrative support provided by virtual assistants encompasses data entry, schedule management, writing, and editing for their clients. Enumerate your services on platforms such as Fiverr or Upwork. Now, please subscribe to our channel to help us hit our first 1,000 subscribers goal.